Welcome to this SAT Math session provided by Tutorgram. Topics covered in SAT Math section can be broadly divided into 4 different categories. Today, we will look at additional topics in math, especially triangles and polygons. We will discuss important concepts and solve some example problems. Let's talk about polygons. All sides of a regular polygon are equal. You can find the sum of all the interior angles of a polygon by using 180 and minus 2, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. Degree measure of each interior angle can be found by using sum of all the interior angles divided by number of sides. That is 180 and minus 2 divided by n, where n is the number of sides. Let's talk about some other features of polygon. Sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is 360, as these angles make a complete circle. A polygon with n number of sides has n axes of symmetry. For example, a pentagon has 5 axes of symmetry, whereas an octagon has 8 axes of symmetry. Let's apply these concepts to a problem. In this problem, we are given a regular hexagon with a diagonal of 12. They're asking us to find the parameter of this hexagon. Let's draw some central angles. As we know, this is a regular polygon, and therefore, all the central angles will be of equal measure. If we divide 360 into 6 equal parts, we get an angle of 60 degrees. As this is a regular polygon, distance between the center and the vertices are also equal. Therefore, other angles in this triangle are also 60 degrees. This means it is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, all the sides of this triangle will be 6 units long, which further implies that all the sides of this hexagon will be 6 units in length, which makes the parameter 6 times 6 or 36. I would like to tell you about our services at Tutorgram. We provide one-on-one sessions to both high school and college students in physics, chemistry, math, and biology. We also help students increase their score in SAT, GRE, GMAT, and MCAT. All our tutors are graduates of Ivy League universities, and they will be more than happy to create personal and interactive study sessions for you. If you are interested in a trial lesson, please email or call us with your specific requirements, and we will get back to you. In this problem, area of hexagon is given, and they want us to find the parameter. In order to find that, we need to find the side of this hexagon. Let's divide this hexagon into 6 equal triangles. Area of each triangle is going to be 1/6 24 root 3, which will give us 4 root 3. To find the parameter, I need to find the side of this hexagon. I'm going to drop a perpendicular from the vertex to the base and call it h. As this is an equilateral triangle, each side is a, and altitude h will divide the base into 2 equal halves. We can call it a half. Using Pythagorean theorem, we can find h in terms of a. H square plus a half square is equal to a square. Move a half square to the other side and it will become a square over 4. If I subtract them, I will get 3a square over 4. If we take square root on both sides, we get h equal to square root of 3a divided by 2. This will help us write the area of this triangle exclusively in terms of a. Area of this triangle can be written as 1/2 base times height, or 1/2 times a times root 3a over 2, equal to 4 root 3. Keep a square on the left side and move all the numbers to the right. We will get 16 on the right side. A will be 4. We found the side length of this hexagon. Therefore, parameter can be written as 6a, or 6 times 4, or 24. I hope this lesson was helpful in clarifying the concepts of triangle and polygons. If you're looking for one-on-one tutoring, please feel free to reach out via email or cell phone, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. Please subscribe to our channel for more SAT content. Feel free to share this video with any friends who might need help with SAT math.